Let's shift our focus to what's happening in West Bengal now. Elections might be a few months away, but the election bugle has already been sounded, this time by the Home Minister Amit Shah. He did not go to Bihar, remember? He did not go to the by-polls in Madhya Pradesh or in UP and other states, but he decided to make an entry in Bihar politics, even cancelling the party president JP Nadda's trip to the state as well. Now, Shah has been there for about 2 days now and was upbeat as he wrapped up his visit. He said, "Give us one chance. We promise to build Sonar Bangla or Golden Bengal in 5 years." Also, Trinamool Congress has issued a statement accusing Amit Shah of visiting Bengal with his baggage of lies. Here's a report.
Amit Shah unsheathing his arsenal against the Bengal Chief Minister one by one as per blueprint for BJP's Bengal target of 200 seats out of 294. Yesterday, he accused Mamata Banerjee of being anti-poor, today of appeasement politics.
एक मौका मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को दे दीजिए। हम 5 साल में सोनार बांग्ला बनाने का आपको वादा करते हैं। बंगाल के किसानों को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं, आप चिंता मत करिए। मई के बाद आपके अकाउंट में ये पैसा सीधा मोदी जी भेजने की व्यवस्था करेंगे। आने वाले चुनाव में बंगाल में हम 200 से ज्यादा सीटों के साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनाने जा रहे हैं।
It's a pipe dream of Amit Shah. They'll never get 200 seats. They'll never win. Amit Shah does no home minister's job. He is only into politicking for BJP. And it's a bogus claim. And nothing will happen.
BJP's Bengal dream is already hard work. Amit Shah's first stop today, Dakshineshwar Temple in North Kolkata, then classical singer Ajay Chakraborty's in the south, for lunch to a Mathua home again in North Kolkata, in between 2 visits to the venue for meetings with workers. Meanwhile, Trinamool is heckling Mr. Shah as an outsider for showering petals on this statue of a tribal hunter at Bankura yesterday. Till an hour before his arrival, BJP apparently mistook it for legendary tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda, then scrambled to find a portrait of Munda to place at the foot of the statue for Mr. Shah to garland. Tribal leaders are upset and Trinamool making the most of it. Elections are still months away, but 2 battle lines have been sharply drawn at the end of Mr. Amit Shah's visit to Bengal. Anti-poor Mamata versus anti-Bengal BJP, and insider versus outsider. With GD Shankar, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.